Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 24, OV 23. ऐसे म्हणूनी कोटाची असतनी बोटाने स्पर्शता माधवरावांनी कोटाची या वळियामधुनी दाणे वरुनी आढळले. Saying so, Madhavrao touched the sleeve of the coat with his fingers, when from the folds of the coat grains were found. ते काय म्हणून पाहू जाता, डावे कोपर लांब करिता, फुटाणे दिसले खाली गडगडता, मंडळी टिपता देखिली. Trying to find out what it was, I straightened my left elbow, and grains came rolling down, and the people began picking them up. टिपून टिपून गोळा केले, 5-25 फुटाणे भरले, तेथेच थट्टेस कारण उद्भवले, ऐसे घडले कैसेनी. They gathered them as they picked them. A few, about 25, were collected. That gave cause for jesting. How had it come about? तर्कावरी चालले तर्क, जो तो विचारात झाला गर्क, फुटाण्याचा कोटाशी संपर्क, विस्मय समजता जाहला. Surmises followed one after the other. Everyone was immersed in thoughts. How did the grains come to be stuck to the coat? Everybody was wondering. खाकी कोटाच्या वळ्या त्या किती, त्यात हे दाणे कैसे समावती, आलेच कोठूनी कैशा स्थिती, न कळे निश्चिती कौण आहे. How many folds of the coat could there be near the armpit? How could these grams get into them? Where had they come from? And in what manner? It was a mystery which no one could understand. करीत असता पादसंवाहन, लावुनी नामी अनुसंधान, मध्येच हे फुटाण्याचे आख्यान, कैसेनी उत्पन्न जाहले. While I was pressing the feet and concentrating on the chanting of the Lord's name, how had the story of the grams cropped up in the midst of it all? इतुका काळ सेवेत जाता, कधीच काना पडले हे तत्वता, हा वेळ राहिले हीच आश्चर्यता, सकळांच्या चित्ता वाटली. I had been rendering service for some time. Really, why did they not fall down earlier? Everyone was surprised that they remained there for so long. कोठून फुटाणे तेथे आले, वळियावरी कैसे स्थिरावले, जे ते आश्चर्य करून राहिले, मग बाबा वदले ते परिसा. From where had the grams come there? How did they firmly lodge in the folds? Everyone was wondering. Then, listen to what Baba said. शिक्षणाच्या विलक्षण पद्धती, अनेकांच्या अनेक असती, बाबा जयांची जैसी गती, शिक्षण देती त्या तैसे. Many people have novel methods of teaching, but Baba gave instructions according to the understanding of the person. पद्धती विचित्र महाराजांची, सरणी स्मरणीय बहुमजेची, अन्यत्र तैसी देखिल्या ऐकिल्याची, नाही प्रचिती मजप्रती. Maharaj's method was singular. His way was to make it amusing, so that it was well remembered. I have no experience of having heard or seen the like of it elsewhere. म्हणती याला वाईट खोडी, एकेकटे खाण्याची गोडी, आज बाजाराची साधुनी घडी, फुटाणे रगडीत हा आला. He said, he has a bad habit, that of liking to eat alone. Taking advantage of the market day, he came rubbing the grams in his palms to take off the skin.